operations and optimization can be very overwhelming for many publishers. As your business expands and grows, the time you spend on testing and implementing strategies to increase your website or app's ad revenues also blow up. Digital ad operations is a big ecosystem, and it is increasingly becoming more advanced and more complex. This means that aside from ad optimization strategies, publishers also need to learn and comply with legal requirements such as privacy and personal data collection regulations imposed by different countries or regions, ads.txt compliance, and many others. To add to that, threats of clawbacks, revenue loss, and invalid traffic are also major pain points for many publishers. With all the time spent on managing the various aspects of ad monetization, publishers are finding it more and more difficult to focus on a crucial aspect of the business: quality content creation. In cases like this, the most logical business decision will be to seek outsourced ad optimization services or set up an in-house ad operations team. Finding the right partner for you to work with can be a difficult process. You need to find a partner that understands your goals, can offer you the best value, and is reliable and trustworthy. Through Google's Certified Publishing Partners program, publishers are able to confidently select from a pool of ad tech industry leaders that have been carefully evaluated and certified by Google. Certified Publishing Partners are awarded this badge that guarantees publishers that they are working with an official partner. Each certified publishing partner has their own sets of requirements or criteria for the publishers that they will agree to work with. For instance, MonetizeMore requires minimum revenue levels from publishers, which also determines the plan that the publisher will fall under. In return, Google certified publishing partners like MonetizeMore provides publishers with a wide range of services and features that are meant to maximize the publisher's ad revenue potential. Services from certified partners can include website, video, and app monetization and optimization, programmatic direct deals, real-time bidding, technical support, page speed and performance optimization, and website analytics. While some services and features offered by different partners can be similar, these components can make a difference in your decision-making. Transparency and on-time payments. Partners should have solutions in place to provide publishers with access to reports that can be verified. Data transparency and reliable payment solutions are a foundation of a successful partnership. Next, partners that offer a custom setup designed specifically for particular publishers are usually the most ideal, as every publisher is different, and not using a customized approach can restrict publishers from being able to properly increase their revenue. What works for one publisher may not necessarily work for another. Another important factor to consider is comprehensive performance, optimization, and features. Find a partner that not only offers top-tier technology and features, but also the much-needed human touch. The winning combination of manual optimization and sophisticated technology can drive revenues up to a whole new level. MonetizeMore is proud to be a Google certified publishing partner, and our team of ad tech experts, along with our constantly evolving technology, provide publishers with great value. With industry-leading innovations and services such as Traffic Hop, PubGuru Header Bidding, Ad Inspector, and PubGuru University certifications, publishers are empowered to reach their true ad revenue potential.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.